how to download Facebook app on desktop and phone. So if you want to download Facebook application on your desktop, then first open up your Microsoft Store. You can also go for Windows and then you can search for Microsoft Store so that you will get that. Simply click on Microsoft Store and open it. And now you can go for the search icon or the search bar, which is on the upper right, and search for Facebook. And here you'll have your Facebook, right? Click on that. And once you click on Facebook here, on the left side, you will have an install button. So if you want to download and install the Facebook application, click on install and it will start the download process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you can simply click on open and you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download your Facebook application on your desktop. So if you want to download it on your mobile, then you can simply and then go for the search bar and search for Facebook. So you can choose Facebook or Facebook Lite, anything that you would like to install. Once you've chosen, here you will have install button. Simply tap on install, and once you tap on install, your application will start installing. So that's how you install your Facebook application on your device, and once it's installed, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and you can log into your account. So that's how you download Facebook application on your desktop and your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.